Okay, I am back, and I've cut pretty much all my hair off. It's been about a year since I was posting last on these data structures and algorithms courses. I'm applying to jobs again, so it's good to do a little review. So this time I've upgraded to not only doing it in JavaScript, but I'm going to do it in TypeScript and C Sharp. We're going to, obviously get the type checks from that, which is not essential when doing DSA problems, but it's a good way to reinforce knowledge of my language. So we'll go ahead and dive right into this. Leetcode 167 to sum. Number 2, input array is sorted. That's very important to note that the array is sorted. Therefore, here, let's read the problem. So given a one index array of integers, numbers that it's already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such as they add up to a specific target. Let those two numbers be numbers, the first index and the second index, where they're less than each other. Okay, return the indices of numbers. Okay, basically, we should look at the target. Basically, the examples are the best thing to look at in most Leetcode problems, I think, and then go back and read the problem statement, because you can gather much more if you're a visual person from the examples. So here we've got this input. The array is in an increasing order, like I said, and the target is 9. And so we're going to have to go through here, find two values that match the target. So how do we do this? Because it's sorted, we can do a 2-pointer starting 1. So we'll do, what is this, TypeScript? So we'll do no, and then we'll do right equals numbers. Okay, so what I've done here is I've got a left value that'll be our left pointer. So that'll be pointed at, for this example, that'll be pointed at number 2. And then right, which would be pointed, since we took the length of the array, -1. We will then point it at the last value in the array, which would be 15. So we've got 2 and 15 respectively. And then we need to check. So since we're starting at two opposite ends, we're going to increment the left one when we have a sum of the left and right numbers that is less than the target. And if we have a number that is greater than the target, we will decrement the right. So while, let's see, left is less than right. So they can't cross, but once they cross, you've just done the same thing again. And you wouldn't have a solution at that point. So while your left pointer is at a lower index value than your right pointer, we will set this sum value to numbers left plus numbers right. So now you have the sum. So in this case, it'll be 2 and 15, that's 17. That is higher than our target number. Our target number is 9. So if something is higher then, so if sum is, if sum is higher than, if sum is higher than the target, we need to decrement from the right. So the next while loop, it'll go through and decrease the right, and then we check if sum is less than target, which means we need to increment our current left and right, or our current sum. So we'll do left, and so what do we see? So I've checked so I've gotten the sum, it's greater than, right is left. I need to do the base check, which is if return, and how are we returning it? Okay, we're going to return numbers, return numbers left. Oh no, I don't. I just need to return the array value, so I don't even have to return the return. That'll be left +1, right +1. Okay, let's check this. This should work. And it works. I'll go ahead and submit that. Let's see how it does. Okay, beat 61%. That's not bad. I know C# will outperform it, so we'll go to C# here. So basically the same thing. We'll start, C#. So int left equals 0, and then int right equals numbers length. There are some decent similarities between TypeScript and C#. And then while left is less than right, we can do that. We need to create a sum. So int sum. Let's see, new int. Let's see, sum. Yeah, I'll do our sum equals new int. No, that's not right. Int sum equals numbers. Right. Then we'll check if sum is greater than target. Right. Decrement right. If sum less than target, that we can increment the left. And then do the same thing again if sum target. Let's see, new. Can I do this? New int. Do left. I think it should work. Oh, missing a semi. Missing a semi. Solution. Not all. Oh, okay. So not all code paths return a value. Did I seal up this? Okay. So what happens if we don't have one? Does sum of 0 is 1? Turn 1 and 0. 1, 2, target. Okay. Runtime 0 milliseconds. I think this one beats 100%. Yeah. Okay. Cool.